This is the Big Brother NAIJA review show.
You're literally the person. You're the person who just used the word insecure. So you're the insecure.
I'm laughing. Why are you scared?
Because you're talking to me directly.
What's my business?
I
should not laugh.
What are you going to do?
Say your mouth. I should not laugh.
Get up say something.
Carry me.
Big ass
Yes, baby. I'm jealous. Ask me to give you of my money. You are very stupid. Come and carry me from here. I should move. Come and carry me now. I should get out of here. I should get out to where? I should get out to where exactly? I should get out to where exactly? I don't understand. And I told you before. I should get out to where? I don't understand. I said it this afternoon. I said Nicole. You did not know exactly what I said. She even admitted it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Toks TV. This is Big Brother NAIJA review show. So the housemates are no longer doing kumbaya. We're all peaceful. Finally, everyone's true colors is actually showing up and coming out. Definitely, it's not everybody, but we can see the arguments and the disagreements coming up, because yesterday a lot of arguments actually happened. So apparently, day before yesterday, Angel had a discussion with Beatrice about Maria, and she was just telling her what was happening in the house, and she didn't mean it in a malicious way. And LIQOUROSE overheard it and went to tell Maria.
I'm so shocked. I'm shocked. He said we'll be taking turns. He said we'll be taking turns. And I've been noticing I know a lot of things about every single has like. And I've been noticing in the middle of it, like personal friend. I know a lot. He was like, I know a lot of things about. I know she means it. Some of these girls I don't know. I know how to get them. I know how to.
So yesterday in the morning, LIQOUROSE and Maria were not talking to Angel, nor were they talking to Beatrice. And when Angel understood what was happening, during the laundry area, she was talking about it to Jackie B and Beatrice. So Maria walks out and she noticed that they're talking about how she overhears it, and then she goes off on all of them. She goes especially on Jackie B, and both of them have had like a heated argument. Like, it was very heated. Even when they were in the bathroom and dressing room area, she was blocking Maria, like, okay, you're not going anywhere, what are you going to do? Both of them were really heated, and they were throwing a lot of things up and down, a lot of words up and down. And we all know that Jackie B and Maria are not really the best of friends, because even when Maria said she was the wild card, Jackie B even mentioned that she can't really trust them. So you could already see that. And even previously, when they did that fashion show, apparently Maria called her a hoe. Excuse my language, but she did call her a hoe. And Jackie B wasn't here for it, because she was like, why, we're not friends, so why would you say something like that? And Maria was like, she apologized, but Jackie B said she didn't hear any apology, and it was really heated.
Maria, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. I'm fine. I'm saying I should be fine. And so will you, my dear. You'll be just so fine, okay? You'll be just so fine. I'm very fine. Don't worry. You take care. Don't worry. Your face will go back to normal color very soon. You okay? Bruh, if you bring racism into it, I'll give it to you how you want it. If you bring racism into it, you are Nigerian like me. Everybody fucking. You just glorious. You just glorious. I can see your body. Call me anything you want to call me, baby girl. Ain't nobody. You'll be okay. Relax yourself. Keep it real. Nobody's your baby girl. We're not even friends. Besides, I don't like you. I'll make it publicly known. I do not like you. I think you're fake as. Yeah, Pele. Absolutely fake. Yeah. Somebody apologized to you twice. Oh. You're still making the thing like you should. Piss off. Yeah.
And even during that moment, or during that time, LIQOUROSE and Beatrice still had an argument, and I was really surprised, because I remember when LIQOUROSE was trying to encourage Beatrice, because Beatrice is obvious she kind of has a low self-esteem. It's not that she's opening up in the house, but to see them arguing, and LIQOUROSE was throwing the insults there, like she was throwing it to Beatrice, even had to take a manner for him to drag her out of it. Finally, we're seeing their true colors, because that's what we're here for. Like, it's not everyone that can be friends. Like, we all know that. So it's better they address something. And yeah, but later on, Maria and Jackie B squashed it. They talked about it during their pool party, but I don't think it's going to last for a long time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
You literally won. I gave you, I said, congrats, and I said, by the make one, but literally in the living room, lie about it. Man,
She's not home.
please
She's not
get
home,
over
my
it.
child.